This is going to be a video tutorial on how to crop an image into a shape in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. I am on Microsoft PowerPoint now. I have an image on my slide here. This is a PNG image. To crop an image into a shape, the first thing you want to do is select the image. I'm going to left click on the image to select it. I have the image selected now. Then you want to go up to the top up here and you want to click on Picture Format. Then on the ribbon you'll go off to the far right down to where it says Crop, and you want to click on that little drop down arrow below Crop. Then you'll go down and you'll place your cursor over Crop to Shape. Then you'll slide straight off to the left, and you could choose any one of these shapes here to crop your image to. Say that I wanted to crop my image to an oval. I'm going to click on this oval shape here. Now I have cropped my image into an oval. Now if you want to adjust your image in your shape, if you want to adjust it, you'll go back up to the top. Make sure you're on the Picture Format tab. Then you'll go off to the far right of the ribbon. You want to click on the drop down arrow below Crop again. Then you'll go down to the bottom where it says Fit. Click on Fit. And from here you can adjust your shape. I'm going to pull in on the corner. You can adjust it however you want it. I'm going to make mine about like that. I can grab my picture that's behind it. I'm going to hold down the left mouse button. I could position my picture however I want in there. I'm going to click off of my picture. And that is how to crop an image into a shape in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.